Hey guys, we received this Graceful by Design grooved handwriting books with pens. So these are is a practice writing letters for kids and the handwriting practice for kids. So this comes in a nice gift box as you can see it here. So good for the kids as a gift. And these are the pens and the holders so that or the grip thing. And then there are the books here. So you can see there are the grooved handwriting books and these all are the grooved. So there is a grooved on the pages and this shows how to use this and hold the pen. Then it's easy for the kids to draw inside the grooves and then learn the writing. So it's a very nice hard copy grooved books and there are four books, four different designs. So this one is the stroke practice. So you can see the grooved inside in the video and then also the things here. So number letters, you can just use it. Same with the colors. So there is all different type of books that will describe everything here. And then it's all grouped that will have the colors and the things. So it's a good learning for the kids. And then drawing and doing the stuff. So the numbers, maths, subtraction, addition, and the other things. So these are the alphabets. So this is a nice combination of the grooved handwriting with the nice colors and the quality of the books. And then also these are the pens. So these are the grippers. So you can just put in the pen here and then use it as a gripper with the kids' fingers. So nice soft material, and these are the pens with the extra refills. So that's a cool, nice thing. And these are the invisible ink pen, so that will vanish on its own. So it's the cleaning is also easy, and that I will show, or you can just keep it like that, and it will just ink is gone in a few seconds. So you can refill by changing the refill from here. So this is good, and then also it's pretty easy. So it's a nice set for learning, for writing, for things for the kids. So I just put in and this writing with the kids is good. Like it's just practicing. So the holding in his hand is also nice and good. So overall, this is a nice group books. And the quality wise, there is no issue, and it's supplied with everything the kid need to write. And the kids will also like to have fun and learning here, and it's good for them to do the things. So you can also wipe this off if you want some quick removal. You can just wipe it off to clean or just keep it for some time and it will vanish on its own. So anyway, you can just clean it so it's reusable and you can use this and write it again and again with the supplied things on its own. So basically a very nice set for the handwriting.